Let's see what we are to expect for the day on our GBP USD. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Also note that today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community of group of traders come together to share market insights, updates, strategies, and also ideas. It has a section for any financial pair you trade, be it stocks, crypto, indices, and also commodities. You can be part of this community to learn more and also connect with traders of like-minded people by visiting investsocial.com. This is our GBP USD right here. We can clearly see that GBPUSD is now trending to the upside. This is now on a bullish move. Market is literally rallying to the upside. Previously, it was trending downward right here. This was the previous movement. It was previously trending downward. Right now, market has now pushed up and it is now trending to the upside. So this GBPUSD is most likely a bullish move, and we are to expect the bullish move to continue upward. Now let's drop down to our forward time frame. This is a multiple rejection zone right here. Market was able to push up to form an high, and this is a pullback, which is an higher low. This is also a push up, which is a new higher high. We are to expect a pullback and then another push up. So guys, we should expect market to pull back to a level of 1.34340. This will be my target for the day, which is a level of 1.34340. Once markets can pull back to that level, then there's no doubt that markets will likely push up again to form a new high. If you find today's video very helpful, you can be part of this trading community, which is investsocial.com, to learn more and also stay connected. See you in the next video.